Hello everyone, this is Raj, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make flowers in Adobe Illustrator. It's really very easy, so let's get started with the video. The first thing that we will do is go to the polygon tool and select this polygon tool. Okay, now if you click and drag the mouse pointer, you will see it is creating a polygon. Now if you click on the upper arrow and the lower arrow, okay, you press the upper arrow and the lower arrow, you can increase and decrease the number of points, and you can make a hexagon, a pentagon, or whatever you want, right? So let me keep it to 7 points. Okay, now 7 points, I'm gonna keep it to 7 points. Now remember, the number of points you're gonna keep, the number of petals you will get. Okay, so I will keep it to 7. And let's change the color. I don't really like this color. Let's go for somewhat like orangish. Okay, and let's decrease the stroke a bit. Let's keep it to 2 points. 2 points is okay. Now what I will do is I will go to the effects control panel and select the distort and transform. From here I will select the pucker and bloat option. Now here I'll turn on the preview, and if I increase the size, you can see, increase the percentage over here, you can see it's creating a nice looking flower. Okay, hit OK, and you can create like this. You can create a flower like this. Now go to stroke and make the corners rounded. Okay, so that these corners are rounded like this, rounded. Okay, now this has created a nice looking flower. I want to decrease the saturation a bit. Okay, now like this you created a flower. Now you can go to object and select this option, expand appearance, and this will create this flower like this. It will expand the appearance of the flower, and now you can change the color of the flower to whatever you want. So let me go for a greenish color. Okay, like this you can create n number of flowers. So let me select another polygon and let me show you with 4 points. So it's a square. Let me change the color to somewhat like this, and let's go to effects, distort, transform, pucker and bloat, and now you can see it is creating four petals of the flowers of the flower. Okay, like this you can create flowers. Another way you can create flower is by using Pathfinder tool. Now let me show you how to do that. So select the ellipse tool, make an ellipse like this. Now click the Alt button and drag Alt and Shift button to drag this ellipse, and now leave it somewhat like this, somewhere like this. Okay, now select both of these ellipses and select this intersect option. This will create one petal like this. Okay, now let me change the color of this petal to yellow. Okay, now select the petal. Now hit R from the keyboard. This will turn on the rotate tool. Now somewhere over here, click the Alt button, press and hold the Alt button, and click once. Click the left mouse button once, and this will open up the rotate tool dialog box. Now here dial in 360 divided by the number of petals you want. So here I'll want let's say 7 petals. So I'll dial in 7, 360 divided by 7, and I'll hit the copy button. This will create a copy of this petal, and now hit Ctrl D several times, and this will create petals like this, and you can see this has created a nice looking flower. Okay, so like this you create flowers in Adobe Illustrator. It's really very easy, and this was a fun tutorial. And hit the like button if you like this video, and share it with your friends, and do consider subscribing this channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.